Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about HubSpot, how to use it, what is HubSpot, and make sure you watch this video till the very end so you don't miss any part of this video. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe for more videos like this one. So first, what is HubSpot? Is all about helping your business grow, but without making things super complicated. It's like having powerful tools that don't overwhelm you. And the idea is to bring together all your data, your teams, and your customers in one place using their CRM platform. So it's like a hub where everything comes together. And the cool thing is, as your business grows, HubSpot grows with you. Is like a buddy that's always there for you. So now, in other words, HubSpot is all-in-one tool for businesses. It's got everything you need to handle marketing, sales, keeping track of your customers, and more. It helps you keep all your business stuff organized and working smoothly. Now with a HubSpot, you can bring together all these different aspects of your business, like marketing and sales, and make sure they're all on the same page. So that's pretty great, and it can really help you with your business. So now to get started, you can click on this button here, get started free. Um, Here you also have Marketing Hub, Sales Hub, and Service Hub. So, you know, there's a lot of, as you can see, bunch of products, services available. Marketing Hub, Sales Hub, MS Hub, Operations Hub, Commerce Hub. Let's say for Marketing Hub, if you click on Learn More here, this will direct you to this website here, to this page, and is marketing software is just it's about boosting your revenue, saving your time and resources, and helping you keep an eye on how well your marketing efforts are doing. And the best part is all right there on a simple user-friendly platform and easy to navigate interface. You can start by getting a demo to see all the cool stuff you can do, or if you're on a tight budget, just want to try they also have a free plan, so no worries there. And picture this, a lot of marketers these days are dealing with a real mess of disconnection with all different marketing channels that keep changing. It's a struggle to really connect with customer. Plus, you've got different teams working in their own little bubble. All your data is scattered across different systems. So it's like a big puzzle that's missing a bunch of pieces, right? Now, Marketing Hub will really save you because this really smart way to marketing. It takes all your marketing tools and all your data, experience, what you want, and brings them together so you can in one place, so you are more productive. Means your team now can work together without any problem and all your data is connected. So if that's what you need, you can click on here. Also, they also have Sales Hub, Service Hub, CMS Hub. If I click on here for Sales Hub, I can see here Sales Hub. Now, Sales Software or Sales Hub is again powerful sales software, really powerful and really super user friendly, and is about boosting productivity, helping you connect with customers, and supporting your growing sales team. Now, you can check out what it can do by getting a demo, or if you're just starting out or want to um, try to test the waters. They are free sales tools you can use. Check pricing overview. You can also start with zero free and premium plans that grow with you. So as you can see, editions starting at. So you can see here free. So just hiring more sales reps pushing for more sales activity, and using a bunch of tech isn't a guarantee recipe for success. Can lead to stagnation, demotivated teams, and difficulties in connecting with customers. But Sales Hub flips the script, is about quality over quantity, and it gives you your sales team the right tools to be productive and helps team understand their customers better. Plus, it gives your sales leader the insights they need to scale up. So that's sales. Here marketing software, and we also have available here we can check service hub, customer service software to help you connect with customers, exceed expectations, and turn them into promoters and who grow your business. So you have another service here, service hub, popular feature tickers, customer feedback, no knowledge base, CMS hub. So here's CMS hub, and it's great for managing website content. Is flexible for marketers, super powerful for developers, and ensures your customers have a personalized and secure experience. And here's some of the cool features: drag and drop edition, SEO recommendation, drag and drop. You can easily move things around your website without needing to be a coding genius. It's like building with building something really easy. And SEO recommendation, this helps you make your website more research search engine friendly, sorry. So when people search for stuff related to your website, they're more likely to find it. Now, website themes, you get pre-designed templates to make your website look good without starting from scratch. So that's great again. Now, there's also available Operations Hub, which means it's like conductor of your business and helps to operate software that does three things to make uh, your life easier. Data synced and is great matchmaker for your apps. Um, so your data will flow easily from one place to another. Programmable automation. So this is great. You can handle repetitive tasks for you. You can focus on more important stuff and data. Quality automation. This is great for data's personal trainer and make sure your data is tip top shape or clean and accurate. And now Commerce Hub. This is go to B2B, business to business commerce software. And B2B stands for business to business. And it's just like, it's more for companies that sell their products or services to another businesses, not to regular customers. And B2B commerce software designed to help you streamline your opportunity to revenue process so you get paid faster, subscriptions, codes, payments, links. Now let's get started. Click on Get Started here. And here I can enter my email. Now you can also